If you want to use dual apps on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, there are two ways to use dual apps on your iPhone. For the first method, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on Open. Then tap on Continue. Select Ask App Not to Track. Then tap on I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. And tap on Continue. Now to create dual apps, just tap on parallel space. And from here, just tap on the plus icon. Now to create a clone of the app, just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I will select Instagram. As you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the Instagram app. Just like that. Now, if I go to the home screen and if I open the Instagram app, as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the Instagram app. Just like that. Now, this was the first method. The second method is if you want to create a clone of the app on the home screen. For that, just open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the Instagram app on your iPhone, then tap on the three dots over here and select Share. Now over here you will find the option of Add to Home Screen. Just tap on it, and from here you can give a name to the cloned app. For an example, I will name it Instagram 2. Then tap on Add, and once you do that, you will create a clone of the Instagram app. Just like that. As you can see, this is the original Instagram app and this is the cloned version. Just like that. But remember that this method will not work on all the apps on your iPhone. It will only work on a few apps like the Instagram app and the Facebook app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.